Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a facial with the help of aloe vera. Aloe vera is our key ingredient and you all know the benefits of aloe vera for our skin. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you wanna know how to do that facial, see the entire video at the last. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you like the facial and my video also, so press the like button, subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends and families and relatives, and also subscribe my channel for such latest updates and you're never gonna miss them also. This is Kashishmina signing off. Bye bye.